Big time forward. Strip me no chaser. All of my guys know me all about me paper. Me got me girls all around me, me no chaser.
Hey friends, hey, welcome back to the channel. If you're not new, welcome if you are new. My name is Simone, your new favorite cash stuffer. And if you're not new, then it is just your favorite cash stuffer. You guys know the deal. Today I am here and I'm going to do a little bit of cash stuffing, my saving challenges. I've been doing some cash stuffing, but I haven't really focused much on my saving challenges. So today is the day that I am going to be cash stuffing my saving challenges, and I have some fake money, just three $1 placeholders. Aren't they just the cutest? Super cute. Perfect for the season, right? Hold on, let me just kind of sort this out here. I have a total of $393 that I'm going to be cash stuffing today. I'm wondering if I should put this at the back. I don't know. How does it look? I mean, it's giving a vibe, but there's a vibe to it. So I have 3 binders that I'm going to cash stuff. I have been pretty diligent on cash stuffing my monthly challenges, so not bad. That's a little brownie points for me. I think I have maybe 3 more stuff that I need to do in order to close out March, and then this is the one that I really want to start cash stuffing. I think I've maybe cash stuffed 3 or 2 envelopes, and then my 100 envelope binder. So I am going to get my book and kind of set it aside and quickly just kind of wrap up my monthly saving challenges. I have a couple dollars, I think $20 to put in this one, if I'm not mistaken. No, not 20, 80. You know what, let's just get into the binder and figure things out. So January is all complete. I saved a total of $100. February was a little bit less. I pulled in $80. Super happy about that. So it's kind of like high low type of challenge that I have going on. I don't remember what the total is. I think it's about maybe $1,300 by the time I am all done. So I have 3 circles that I need to get done, and then I will close this one off, and this one will yield another $100. Let me get my marker. So how are you guys doing? I hope everyone is doing well with their challenges. I started off a little late. I think I started cash stuffing my sinking funds binder as well as some of my challenges in February, March, if I'm not mistaken. So this one needs $40. So 20, 40, and then another 20, followed by another 20, and that is it for this one. Let me just do a little to make sure the ink is nice and dry. 20, 40, 60, 81. So March is closed off. Next up is April. Are you guys looking forward to April? April is my birthday month, and I usually do a little freebie, so we'll look out for that. I will have like a little, maybe a mini pack of 3 little challenges just to kind of, you know, have you guys celebrate my birthday with me. Let's get into my 100 envelope challenge, and I feel like I'm doing pretty good. I need to put $20. What I'm trying to do is cash stuff 4 envelopes per month, 1 to 4 for January, then 5 to 8 February, and March I did 9, 10, and I did a 50 because I want to kind of get in there and knock those high numbers off. So the next one that I'm going to do is 20. Oh my gosh, wrong. That is not 20. 20 is right here. We're already making mistakes and getting messy, but that's okay. It makes for good dialogue, right? Because I have already messed things up and we just started. Okay, so let's just put the 20 there. So that will do my 4 envelopes for March. So I'm getting some big numbers out of the way. So I got 20 and then I did 50. The goal for next month maybe is to kind of get into the 100s and kind of cash stuff those. I won't be putting coins in this particular binder just because it'll just get too messy. All right. Okay, on to the creme de la creme, my financial mindset binder, because that's what we are here for. All the binders are important, but this is the one that I really need to focus on just a little bit more. All right, I think this looks pretty good enough. I am going to start off with my emergency funds envelope, and that one is getting 25. And this is the first time stuffing a lot of the envelopes in this binder, so bear with me. I will go ahead and color the trackers after, but I just wanted to kind of show you guys the challenge that goes along with the book. Or maybe I should just color it off. Why not, right? I mean, I already have the markers on hand, so let's do that. Or should I do the setup like this? How does that look? Does that look good? Give me a thumbs up. Ooh, these markers are pretty. I hope it doesn't bleed through, but I think it might. But they're like brush stroke markers. I swear sometimes I feel I have a list, but I really don't. All right, so that looks kind of sort of cute, right? Kind of sort of. I'll do the base like a gray so it's not super dark. I think that looks all right. Okie dokie. So that is it for emergency, followed by the heart of savings. All right, so I did put a couple dollars in the heart of savings already. So today I am going to put 15. So it now has 10, 20, 25, and 30. Okay, I used these markers to kind of color it off, so let's just continue with that. I believe I used this color, the nebula. Let's see. So going in with a 5 and then a 10. Okay, for my 1 month ahead, there are quite a few ways to kind of tackle this challenge. If you bought the budget book and you are following along with me, you could either, one, add up all of the monthly expense that you want to save for that particular month. For example, if you want to save, say, $3,000 worth of 1 month ahead expense, you'll just take that $3,000 and then divide it by the amount, the total number of icons that are here, and then you will get a set amount that you will save each month. For me, I am choosing to do it a little different. I'm just going to randomly save what I want to and then put it on the designated line that is available. So that is another way, and that's the way that I'm going to choose to do it. So for today, I am going to cash stuff $100 into my 1 month ahead. I don't know, maybe next month I'll put 50 or whatever. There are options. So rainy day is getting $15. Is that what I said? Yep. $15. Okay, let's go ahead and color off one of these little umbrellas. And I really like these markers. I have two different sets. One I got from Chapters if you're in Canada, and this package, this particular brand, I bought it off Amazon. It has like a fine tip to it and then a brush tip, so it gives you options. Okay, rainy day is all done. Moving on into my $5 challenge. I've already gone and put $10 already, so today I'm going to put another 10, so it now has 20. And I did use my Nebula marker to color it in, so I'm just going to continue with that. $5 is all done. Moving on to the $10, and I'm just keeping, you know, a little traditional. The 5 and the 10, those are pretty traditional challenges to the Saving Challenge world. This one is getting $20. Okay, that is it. Next up, we have our 30 days challenge. And what did I say for 30 days? 31 day. 31 day. I made a mistake on this. I really need to get it together. It's supposed to be 31 days, not 30 days. But I think when I do sell these, I print it correctly. So this is just this is my personal copy of the envelope. So we're good on that. I am going to go ahead and add $15 to that. Is that what I said? 15? Yep. So I could color off the top row, right? 5, 10, and 15. Yep. I could go ahead and color off the entire top row, which is super nice. And if you have the book, you could either color in the little kitty or just mark the bottom off, whichever way suits your fancy. Next up, I have my 52 weeks challenge. Guys, I attempted this challenge last year as well as the 100 envelope challenge and did not complete it, but I saved quite a bit. So this year I am super motivated to complete this challenge as well as my 100 envelope challenge. Okay, so bear with me or keep me motivated. All right, so I think we're 12 weeks into the month if I'm not mistaken, and that is about $78. Yeah, $78. All of this from, let me just quickly do it to make sure that I'm not messing up. So one, yep, so $78 from $1 to $12. That accumulates to $78. Okay, all right, this is supposed to be 36. I kind of messed up. So 36. So yeah, that gives me $78. So I have 50. And then the reason why I had the 3 $1 placeholders, I do not want to put any coins in my envelope, so I'm just going to use these $3 placeholders, and then once it gets to a denomination of 5, because that's where our Canadian notes start from, it starts from the $5 bill, then I will just kind of take these out. So this is how I'm just going to do it for now to make things a little cleaner. Okay, and the last challenge that I'm going to do is my spring challenge, because yay, spring. I believe spring was last week Friday, was it? It was like on the 20th. I'm almost sure it was on the 20th, right? So I am going to put $15 into spring. Is it 15? No. Why do I have $20? Where did I go wrong? Did I not put something into something? Anyways, I have an extra $5 bill and I'm going to just put it all in spring, because why not, right? Spring now has $20 and I will get to color 4 of these flowers off because they're each worth $5. Let's go ahead and do that. Okay guys, so that is it. I was able to color off 4 of these super cute little flower pots. How cute are they? And I guess if you're interested in any of these markers, they are on this particular one, which is like a little highlighter to give extra details. It is from Amazon, so definitely go and check that out. So that is pretty much it for today's cash stuffing. Super happy you guys were able to kind of join me, and I look forward to our next saving challenge. So until next time, thank you guys so much for watching. If you got this far, just drop me a pink heart in the description box below. Until next time, bye. Bye y'all.
Big time forward. Start again. Problem in all the feelings. Make you try it and